We heard a real loud explosion, and it was like, what the heck is that? And now we find out a plane crashed. So we seen a big flash and a big boom, and then the next thing you know, about 5 minutes later, we hear the sirens, and I guess we find out now that the plane crashed.
Baytown's emergency personnel responded to the scene of an airplane crash on Monday night, July 7, 2014. The plane crashed at Walter Jenkins Park, located off Crosby City Bayou Road in Baytown, Texas. According to information gathered at the scene, the plane crashed after hitting a power line. It was stated that the plane was headed to the nearby local airport in Baytown, but crashed within 3 miles of his targeted destination. Three family members were injured in the crash: an adult male, an adult female, and a 12-year-old male. The adult male was the pilot of the plane. Two life flight helicopters were dispatched to the scene. All three family members were airlifted to Memorial Hermann Hospital in Houston, Texas. No information was given as to their medical status.